How to improve, to maximize your decisions and your decision-making processes in an instant, from horrific, past bad, to beyond better, to above best, to sublime perfection. 3 assistant decision-making concepts and tools to optimize decision-making processes. Number 1. Years ago, a decision-making guru introduced me to the best verbal decision-making process concept. If it is measured, it will get done. Many decision action sectors have been improving results simply by doing, by measuring, by recording, and by improving current performance results to improve future results. For example, all phases of sports and health prove the point. One simple example, I weighed 300 pounds, many efforts, no results. I started measuring my performance by getting on a scale each and every morning, evaluating my behavior, improving my behavior, changing my behavior. I now weigh and maintain a narrow weight range of between 200 and 205 pounds. Over 205 pounds to as little as a gain of 1 pound to 206 pounds, I tighten up my eating and exercise habits. The point: record, observe, and take action to improve whatever you want, think, or do. Number 2, I owe Tony Robbins, the motivational speaker, for this one. Making the correct, the best choices, the best associations between pleasure and pain. Do I make a short-term pleasure decision to eat a processed foods Big Mac burger, fries, and Coke breakfast, and to have long-term malnourishment pain by continuing to gain weight and by feeling bad for the rest of the day? Or do I have a short-term pain nourishing breakfast and feel great and be energized for the rest of the day? Do I skip exercise and feel bad for the rest of the day? Or do I exercise and feel great for the rest of the day? Do I speed up and go through a red light, feel stressed, frazzled, and regretful the rest of the day? Or do I slow down, wait for the light to turn green, and feel stress-free, energetic, and positive for the rest of the day? Number 3, your mobile phone. As included, open up your cell phone, select your screen record option, and view, learn, and improve from your decisions thanks to an intelligent use of AI, as the 2 included cell phone screen recordings I made for illustration purposes. Today I had 1 small bowl of oatmeal, 1 banana, 1/2 cup blueberries, 1 avocado, 1 chicken thigh, 3 fried eggs, 1 cup pea soup. How much sugar? How many carbohydrates? How many calories? How much magnesium? As AI generates the answer, simply use your finger to scroll down on the screen to get the full answer. Today I had 1 bowl of Kellogg's Honey Snacks, 1 glass of orange juice, 1 cup of Starbucks Java Chip Frappuccino, 1 McDonald's Big Mac, 1 McDonald's French fries, 1 McDonald's chocolate milkshake, 3 pieces of chicken, 1 cup mashed potatoes, 1 piece apple pie, 2 glasses of beer. How much sugar? How many carbohydrates? How many calories? How much magnesium? hoping for better decisions and a best life.